Jai Sri Hare Krishna. Hope everybody is okay. You can say this. There is a fever, cold, cough, high fever. So lots of things is going on at the moment after returning to UK. And the weather changes. Well, India didn't have a good weather. So there is an impact when you come back. Also, I discussed in the last video, Nitin Gadkari bullshitting a lot. If you can go and see the roads of Gujarat and the Rajasthan board, Rajasthan roads are one of the best I think I have seen. Gujarat is a lots of corruption, nonsense going on in the Modi government. Corruption is a key. Corruption is the biggest problem. Even the common people, they can smell it. In Rajasthan, 20 rupees rickshaw fare, they charge in 50 rupees. No one bothering them. No one stopping them. Bhajan Lal, I'm not sure what he's doing. But common people's life is still in hell in India. This is what I have seen so far. It's improved, but still not yet. Those who are addicted to taking commission, they are taking the commission. They don't have shame. They don't have fear of police or bureaucrats. They don't. They are doing nonsense. What we've been going for 75 years. Modi come to bring the change. Hasn't happened yet. It's not maybe done 10%, 20% improvement. Still the 80% all corrupt doing the business. We don't have integrity, all the business people, no matter who they are. All corrupt and liars. They don't have it. They don't have it, they don't have it. Even 5,000 years, this simple 5 or 6 slogan has been given. We don't follow. I learned this one at the age of 7. Still we don't follow. Satyam vada, dharmam chara, matrudevo bhava, pitrudevo bhava, atiti devo bhava, acharya devo bhava. Right? Atiti devo bhava means we lost our culture. We used to get happy when someone used to come for lunch or dinner or tea or coffee to visit us. It is totally reverse trend is happening. If you go to someone's house, this move there like a bed jayenge yaar. They don't, Atiti Devo Bhava is no more in a, Satyam Vada is not in a Indian domain anymore. We all liars. You don't get anywhere in the by lying things here. We need to improve. We need to improve. When Krishna is constant preaching, Krishna's preaching is 5 things he told as well. We don't follow. Even all PAPS, because Shivani, ISKCON is full of liars. Drama karna. We have seen the one girl back to, I was in a North Varadu Bombay girl. She was doing drama. She was a queen of drama, doing chanting 2 minutes, showing up in a train in case she is doing something. You don't need to show if you are doing chanting. Chanting and spirituality is totally personal. Do not show up in a public community, public services, or in a public domain. You don't need to. It looks like an idiot. Drama karte ho sale. One of the biggest drama king is a Sadguru. Liar है साला. पूरी दुनिया कम्युनिटी पॉलिटिशियन सबको उल्लू बनाता है ये. After what's his name, Osho, he is the disciple of Osho. उल्लू बनाओ, पैसा कमाओ, हाई फाई लाइफ जियो. He is living one of the luxurious life as a priest or guru. So you should live the simple life. Follow the Jain gurus, one of the best in the world here. Don't mislead. If you going into spiritual path, if you think you are guru, I'm not going to be a guru. I'm going to be acharya. Acharya means to teach someone. Guru parampara. Give education, and I'm a vocal about education. Crack the toughest competitive exam. We will coming up with 150 million funding, but still We have found some idiots in the USA. They took the money. They fooled me. Okay, you got 156 million pound in funding. It was a PLG strategy. He fooled me. So all the blunders, scam and Saleh Ponzi scheme is coming from America. So don't trust American. Think 10 times before investing. Even don't trust any professional. Professional, there is a book called The Intelligent Investor. Google it. And if you read this book, it will totally, honestly, Benjamin Graham is told in the book, professional bring nothing on a table. Right? Benjamin Graham, the book Intelligent Investor, has been written clearly. Professional brings nothing on a table. Right? They are the world's biggest selfish community in the world. And all the gurus, साले लायर्स है लायर्स. भगवान के नाम पे धंधा करो, सबको उल्लू बनाओ और बिग हाई फाई कार में घूमो. BAPS के लोगों साले BAPS ये सदगुरु इस्कॉन के गुरु देखो, पूरी दुनिया को बोलेंगे उसके ऊपर मत चलो, फोकस ऑन व्हाट इज कॉल्ड डिटैचमेंट. वो साले अटैचमेंट के ऊपर बैठे. एप्पल आईफोन होगा, एप्पल की वॉच होगी और तुम्हें लेक्चर में बोलेंगे डिटैचमेंट पे काम करो. तो व्हाई द हेल यू डोंट गिव अप ऑन द बेसिक थिंग्स? व्हाई डोंट यू लिव द सिंपल लाइफ? कॉमन सेंस यार. गुरु साले करनी और कटनी में एक होना चाहिए. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू कि गिव अप ऑन डिटैचमेंट. अरे हम ये कलयुग है यार. वी आर अ मटीरियलिस्टिक and to bring the peaceful life, you need to enjoy the whatever the new development is there, new house, new car, earn money, good money, and enjoy what is luxurious life, what is given by this capitalism. Capitalism is not a curse, but if misuse by a Ponzi scheme and scam, that's a curse. But it is going to happen in both ways. There are some greedy people. They want to make more money. So when the greed is follow, you become an idiot one day. Your common sense is not going to be there. So wisdom won't be there. So just common sense apply in the life. And my personal things, read the book Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It's been written in 1949. Benjamin Graham was one of the best professor of finance in Columbia Business School. Warren Buffett is his disciple. So he said something into, and Benjamin Graham used to, he was addicted to royal life, lavish life. When he invested and lost everything, he screwed up all the entire his life. He had a kambali, he had a cooking nanny. He was living luxurious life. One mistake, he screwed up all the finance. And if you want to go in a Google, read Isaac Newton, Benjamin Graham, then economist, one of the best economists from the UK, Keynesian theory. Keynesian. What's his name? I'm not sure. Last video I told you, LIBOR. I'm going to tell you that meaning of London Interbank Offered Rate, LIBOR. LIBOR, London Interlink Offered Rate. Okay, it changes every day. The committee of Bank of England governors and deputy governors and the executive members, they sit down and set up. And I told you, one of the Bank of England governor, His name was Paul Tucker. He was involved in a fraud as well. He used to set up. He was a liar. I sent him email. In one email, he resigned from the job. Okay, as a leader, you can't do nonsense here. I can't do nonsense. You have to be extreme good at leadership. Otherwise, it's a fake leadership here. It's a fake guru, a fake acharya. You need to, first thing you need is integrity. You need a second thing, you need honesty. You need to tell the truth. Don't mislead the community. Do not mislead the government. Do not mislead the world. Right? This is the true call. It is a bloody call, the true leadership. And if you don't have domain experience, acharya means what here? You need to have knowledge of calculus, you need to have knowledge of economics, you need to have knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, you need to read the Financial Times, you need to read the Wall Street, you need to read all the financial books, what is available in market. You need to constant reading. Constant reading is the key to show the people, look, you are a true guru, you are a true acharya, you are not bullshitting here. And my gurus are Paul Krugman, Robert Schiller, Warren Buffett, David Dodd, right? Janet Yellen, Robert Schiller, you name it. One of the best economists who got the Nobel Prize, they are my gurus. I won't bullshit anything, nonsense. And I hate those that are doing the drama. because Shivani is the biggest liar, misleading Sadguru. Yes, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar is all साले misleading the community. पढ़ना नहीं पढ़ाना नहीं साला, ये धंधा है इन लोगों का. न पढ़ते हैं न पढ़ाते, कुछ न कुछ स्टोरी बना के रखते हैं कि ये होगा वो होगा. ये सदगुरु लास्ट वीडियो में बोला कि ये रिंग यहाँ पे नहीं पहने की, यहाँ पे. अरे साले रिंग पहनने से तकदीर थोड़ी चेंज होता है यार. व्हाट अ वर्ल्ड क्लास नॉनसेंस यार. मेरी मॉम साले 1975 में मेरी मॉम ने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया. Until she died, she never showed the hand to the astrologer. She never believed it. जो कर्म जो तकदीर में लिखा है साले, तो होना है. तुम कुछ भी करो. If you mean to suffer, you are going to suffer through sickness of whatever the pace is. So it's not non-deniable. गुरु के पास जाओगे कुछ अच्छा होगा, अच्छा है. अरे लपड़े वाले काम है साले, उल्लू बनाते साले लोगों को. और इन एजुकेशन नहीं देना उन लोगों का बिगेस्ट बेनिफिट्स है कि मोर अनएजुकेटेड यू बिकम, लेस एजुकेटेड यू बिकम इज़ गुड फॉर देम टू रन देयर बिजनेसेस. यहाँ से आएगा मेरे को, मैं इस्कॉन बेंगलोर में गया था, 1500 रुपीज़ ले लिया. ये मंत्र वो बोला ऐसा हो जाएगा. व्हाट अ वर्ल्ड क्लास नॉनसेंस यार. 1500 रुपया लेके बोलता है ये मंत्र से तुम्हारा ये होगा. अरे वो दिन those days are gone. मंत्र युग इज ऑलरेडी फिनिश बिकॉज दिस इज द युगा ऑफ यंत्र युग साले. मंत्र से कुछ काम नहीं चलता बिकॉज दिस इज कलयुगा. मंत्र डजंट वर्क. इट वॉज इन सतयुगा. मंत्र यूज टू वर्क, is not working anymore. And theory of karma, India we talk about it. G7 Europe is already working on a karma, theory of karma. They are karma yogis. The reason they've been so developed. अभी हमारे इंडिया में मैं भी 2 दिन पहले अभी भी हमारी जो है ना, वो क्या बोलती है मेंटालिटी, होता है चलता है करेंगे देखेंगे, मेरे को ये हुआ है मेरे को वो हुआ है. टाइम पे कुछ फिनिश नहीं करना, ये हमारी चाइल्डहुड हैबिट है. हमारे टीचर्स नहीं पढ़ाते थे, हमारे प्रोफेसर नहीं पढ़ाते थे यार ठीक से. प्रॉब्लम है यार. देयर इज़ अ गुड इम्प्रूवमेंट नीड इन एजुकेशन सिस्टम. एजुकेशन सिस्टम इतनी पुअर है और ये सोसाइटी को मिडल फिंगर दिखाने का मन करता है. मिडल फिंगर का मतलब देखना, इसका मतलब क्या होता है. I am Acharya, but I use all the dead word when you used to, because this needs to be teach our Indian girls. No sala Muslim ladka is going to mess around with our Indian girls. Just give me 10 years. Our Indian girls is going to be one of the smartest and the boldest girl is going to come out. I'm on it now. This nonsense has to go. from the society, and is too enough is enough. I myself is frustrated. That's why this video series is started. So focus on education, crack the competitive exams, and just excel academically. That is the only option we have. We don't have any other option. So don't listen any gurus, any astrologer, ye ring penna, wo ring pehno. Forget it. Just focus on a karma theory, but result based karma. Think what the outcome is going to be. What toppers do, they do preparation, do karma, their preparation, and they know what the outcome is going to come. 5, 10 marks, ups and downs, 10, 15 marks, ups and downs is acceptable. But more than that is just is your delusion. You're not real. You don't work on a reality. I'm going to end this video, and I will continue the video in the next series. Thank you.